Imagine a lush green lawn that requires no mowing, watering, or fertilizing. A lawn that stays vibrant year-round, regardless of the weather and what the kids or dog may throw at it. That's the beauty of artificial grass. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Let's walk through the installation process step by step. We start by clearing the area of any edgings or paving as required. Then remove the turf with a specialist turf cutting machine that keeps the area as flat as possible, retaining any elements you wish to keep. We then level the ground before adding a layer of our specialized low-fines crushed granite aggregate and compact it. This provides excellent drainage and support for your artificial grass. Next, we lay down a weed-proof membrane, which prevents weeds from growing through and ruining the appearance of your lawn. Now we carefully unroll the artificial grass, ensuring the pile direction is consistent and oriented to achieve the best possible look. The grass is carefully positioned to fit the area and then trimmed using a sharp Stanley knife. Next, we spread kiln-dried silica sand over the lawn and brush it into the pile. This infill adds weight and enhances the grass's durability. To cover larger areas, some projects require multiple pieces of artificial grass. Using specialized jointing tape and weatherproof adhesive, we create a seamless and invisible joint for a flawless finish. Next, we carefully cut the artificial lawn to size and securely fasten the lawn around the edges using galvanized steel fixing pins. Finally, we finish the lawn with a thorough brushing using one of our powerful electric motorized brushes. This lifts the pile after being on the roll from the factory and ensures an exceptional finish. With a little effort, you can enjoy a stunning, low-maintenance lawn that will elevate your outdoor living space. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Book your consultation today with the Artificial Lawn Company.